After you try smoked deviled eggs, you will never want any other way. You don't even need an actual smoker. Let me show you how I make it. Place eggs in cold water, bring it to a boil and cook for 8 minutes. Remove it in ice water and let it cool. Peel. This is my favorite way to peel. Cut in half and remove the yolk to a bowl. Mix all the ingredients in separate bowl and pour over the yolks. Mix well, smashing the yolks. Then I like to take an immersion blender and make it extra smooth so I would be able to pipe it. I'm using a star tip to make it look like tiny flowers. Fill the smoking tube with pellets and start it with a torch blowing for at least 60 seconds. It has to keep flame for at least 7 minutes. If it goes down, just blow with the torch for another 30 seconds or so. After 7 minutes, when it will start smoking, place a next smoking tube, close the lid, and smoke for 2.5 hours. Serve and enjoy.